Respected presenters, dear participants, ladies and gentlemen, the subject of my presentation is techno-nationalism and industrial policy, evaluating Turkey's national technology initiative and the technology-focused industrial movement program. Techno-nationalism refers to a government's efforts to assert control over technology, particularly in the context of national security and economic prosperity. In contrast, techno-globalism promotes the free and unrestricted flow of ideas and technologies across borders. In recent years, however, techno-nationalism has resurged in new forms, driven by both political and economic considerations. This new techno-nationalism intensifies deglobalization and technological decoupling by directly linking technological capabilities to national security, economic competitiveness, and social stability. Techno-nationalism is a perspective that prioritizes domestic control over technology and the digital economy as a means of advancing national security and economic prosperity. It promotes policies aimed at reducing reliance on foreign technologies, fostering domestic innovation, and restricting external access to critical technologies. The resurgence of techno-nationalism has been driven by concerns over national security, economic competitiveness, and the pursuit of technological sovereignty. The rise of techno-nationalism has emerged as a defining feature of the global technological landscape, driven largely by the political strategies of major powers such as the United States and China. At the forefront of this movement is the intensifying rivalry between the two nations, each seeking to secure dominance in critical technological domains. In the US, this is evident through measures like the CHIPS Act designed to strengthen domestic semiconductor production and decrease dependence on Chinese imports. Additionally, the US has imposed restrictions on Chinese technology companies, citing national security concerns. Conversely, China's approach to tech nationalism is embodied in its Made in China 2025 initiative, which seeks to reduce reliance on foreign technologies by promoting domestic innovation in critical sectors such as AI, 5G, and semiconductors. Tech nationalism, while fostering domestic innovation, poses significant challenges to international cooperation, trade, and the global adoption of new technologies. As nations prioritize technological self-sufficiency, the global tech ecosystem is becoming increasingly fragmented, with countries developing their own digital infrastructures, standards, and supply chains. Protectionist measures aimed at safeguarding domestic tech industries disrupt international trade, raise costs, and create uncertainty for businesses operating across borders. Moreover, restrictions on foreign investment and limits on the mobility of skilled professionals hinder cross-border collaboration, slowing the pace of global innovation. Economically, this dynamic shifts the balance of power. Countries with advanced technological capabilities gain a competitive edge, while those that lack risk dependence and exclusion, making technological prowess a key determinant of economic success and creating new layers of inequality in the global economy. Contemporary techno-nationalism introduces significant risks to international business, heightening volatility, uncertainty, and complexity for multinational enterprises. Since the early 2000s, Turkey has pursued the industrial movement strategy based on the National Technology Initiative with the aim of fostering sustainable growth and overcoming the middle income trap. The initiative seeks to implement policies that enhance Turkey's competitiveness, ensure its economic and technological independence, and enable breakthroughs in critical technologies. As a part of its industrial movement strategy, Turkey has announced the technology-focused industrial movement program in 2019. The program is based on the idea that sustainable growth and lasting competitiveness depend on developing original national technologies and building a strong, high-value, innovation-driven production capacity. Through the adoption of techno-nationalist strategies, Turkey has transformed its defense sector from a dependent importer of military technologies into a rising exporter since the early 2000s. Over the past 2 decades, the country's defense industry has undergone accelerated development, with domestically produced systems not only demonstrating operational effectiveness in various conflict settings, but also gaining recognition as competitive assets in the global defense market. In 2024, Turkey's defense and aerospace exports reached $7.2 billion, driven by the sale of 230 different defense products to 185 countries. The country's defense industry has risen to 15th place in global exports, representing 1.6% of the worldwide market. Meanwhile, the share of local production in the defense industry increased from approximately 20% in 2000 to 54% in 2015, reaching nearly 80% by 2024. Turkey's defense industry transformation has not only strengthened national security but also driven industrial growth, technological advancement, and economic resilience. By boosting domestic production, creating jobs, and advancing high-value sectors such as aerospace and defense electronics, the sector has reduced reliance on foreign imports and emerged as a key contributor to the country's innovation-driven economy. Turkey's defense industry model to other commercial industries may not achieve the same results. While the Turkish defense industry demonstrates that state-driven, mission-oriented planning can achieve technological independence. This success relies on guaranteed demand and funding, concentrated and highly specialized expertise, low volume and high value production, and strategic protection from international competition. However, commercial sectors differ fundamentally. They require market-driven innovation, scalable production, broad technology diffusion, and exposure to global competition. Therefore, simply replicating the defense model would likely fail to produce the same level of technological independence or economic efficiency in non-defense industries in Turkey. Thank you very much for your kind listening.